Now we are going to learn sketch tools. In this sketch tools, now everything is not activated. See, first one is grid. See how is my screen? It is completely empty. There is no lines on this screen. If I select this grid, these lines will appear. Okay, it is used to in our school standard we learn graph, how to draw the graph. Same it is also like, okay, every grid contains 10, I think. Let's see, next one is snap to point. Now select the line, this is the point. See my end of the second point and the dimensions 152.09, 81.13, 82.46, 83.78. See, with decimals we are getting, means my cursor moving with smooth movement. This is the one point. Now I am selecting snap to point. Okay, now it is activated, snap to point. Now select the line, pick the point here. Now see my curve, there is no points. Maximum you will get exact dimension round figure 260, 2170. Okay, there is no free movement, means the grid edges will be select. That is the second one option, this snap to point. Okay, let's see from, see this height is 10, grid height is 10, and here to here it is 10, and here to it is 10 mm. See, 10 mm. So each grid height contains 10 mm. So this grid is used like a graph pattern. Here we can draw the sketch. If you know everything, will be draw accurately. That is the option grid and snap to point, and this is construction and standard element. Now this line is standard element. Now I want to convert this standard element to construction. Now first of all select the line and click the construction tool. Now this line is converted into construction. Now I want construction line into standard line. Then I can click this line, deactivated this construction tool. Okay, this is the option. Here we can change standard line to construction line to standard line, but in previous we learned axis. It is axis. This is by itself, it's axis. We cannot convert this line into construction line. Now select line. So there is no change. Okay, this construction tool is used to convert construction to line, construction to standard to line. And this is the geometrical constraints and this is the dimensional constraints. Geometrical constraints means tangency, parallelism, perpendicularity. These are all geometrical constraints. Dimensional constraints means radius, diameter, length. These are all dimensional constraints. Now this geometrical constraint is not selected. Let's see. I want to draw a rectangle. See here, I am selected as rectangle. Now I am moving line. See how it is moving. There is no constraint. It is moving as related to my cursor. Okay, now select this geometrical constraint. Now again I am drawing rectangular. Now see here, VH means vertical lines and horizontal lines, means it is geometrically constrained. This line is horizontal, this line is vertical. Okay, now move these lines according to my cursor. See how it is moving. Now select the point and move it. The original shape of the rectangular square, it is not changing their shape, but here it is completely changed. This is the difference of geometrical constraint, and dimensional constraint is nothing but we have to give the dimensions. This is the sketch toolbars, sketch tools. In sketch tools we learn grid, snap to point, construction to standard element, vice versa, and geometrical constraint, dimensional constraint. Yes, it's finished with the sketch tools. Now remaining thing is constraints. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.